Hello everyone, hello Pisces, how are you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. This is a reading for the zodiac sign Pisces for the month of May 2021. um, Guys, if you wish to enroll for the session, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Let us see. This is a situationship reading. That means the situation is going on with you currently, either into your career life or your relationship. Okay. Okay, so you feel that koi or that someone is comparing you with someone else, or you don't like comparison, and that creates a lot of disappointments into your life. You are going through some major spiritual awakening, third eye chakra opening. Okay, that's the situation you are going through currently. Okay, yes, you are ready to accept whatever is coming your way. You are being very receptive in the month of May. Yes, some of you might hear a good news, or some of you might be pregnant. Okay, like divine feminines and the feminines who are Pisces, you might hear a news of pregnancy, or you might get pregnant by your own, like you might hear a news of your own pregnancy by a doctor or someone. Okay, or some of you might give a birth to a baby boy or a girl. Okay, so yeah, and you are just going being very patient right now, but at the same time the other of the Pisces are being very stressed out related to a situation. You are going through a lot of intense situation and a process. Okay, correct. You feel that you want everything harmonious. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Okay, either you are ending a karmic cycle or new beginning is on the horizon. You are feeling or thinking of traveling somewhere, relocating, shifting, allocating somewhere. Okay, yes, you feel that there are certain people into your life who are related to your past life. Now those people can be karmic to you. Those people can be your soulmate. You can have a karmic relationship or a soulmate relationship or a twin flame relationship with certain people. Okay, so yeah, yes, a major change and major breakthrough is about to come into your life. Like the wheel is going to turn into your favor. Major changes, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you guys. Okay, which is very good. Let's see in the tarots what is going on with you guys. Okay, okay. Okay, so you feel that you want to have a heart-to-heart communication with someone. Okay, and you wish to travel, relocate, shift somewhere. Okay, you are feeling a heartbroken situation. You are feeling very heartbroken. Okay, it may be a person, it might be a career related thing. Okay, but third party interference might also be there into your relation. It can also be possible. Okay, yes, you're not loving yourself, you're not caring about yourself. You wish to release third party situation. Okay, which is not happening right now. Okay, or you are trying to release it. Okay, you are gaining a lot of clarity. In the past you were very stuck about a situation where you are supposed to do, like what are you supposed to do, where are you supposed to go. Okay, now you are very much unstuck into a situation. Okay, yeah, well, you are ready to build a career. You might go for a partnership business. Okay, into certain situation, or else you are ready to start a new life with the existing person, or yes, you're feeling weak into a situation. Okay, yes, you feel that, if someone was taking advantage of you, you have released that person, or you're thinking of releasing them, okay, energetically, but you're not taken an action, but thinking of releasing it. Okay, yes, you're not loving yourself, you're not caring about yourself, you are wishing that the third party interference should be released, okay, and a new beginning should be there. You're waiting and hoping for a new beginning. Yes, you are wishing and hoping for a new beginning, but that new beginning is not possible right now. It might possible in the next coming weeks, okay, or in the next coming months. Okay, yes, you might start a partnership with someone, okay, and that will give you good financial income, okay, into your life. Yes, yes, you feel related to a certain person, that there is a twin flame connection or a spiritual connection. Two people are at a distance but thinking about each other, and wanting to come together, okay, but not coming because of certain things in life. Okay, yes, there is relationship involved. Okay, so yeah, you are releasing the burden, like you feel that you are carrying a lot of burden and you need to release it somewhere. Okay, related to situation. Yes, you are feeling stuck because there are a lot of manipulative people around you. Okay, and you are feeling very much stuck into a situation. Okay, and you want to walk away from a situation, but you are unable to do so. You feel that, all the things, sneaky people, manipulative people are coming. You are getting to know a lot of realizations are happening into your life, that what you feel or think about it. Okay, yes, you are stuck with the fights, problems, issues, manipulative arguments. Okay, and you are unable to move on because it is really creating chaos into your head and space and heart. Okay, and that is bringing you a lot of disappointments in life. Okay, so yeah, yes, you are not waiting, you are ready to release the third party situation. Again, third party situation is like a lot in your favor right now. Okay, so you need to release the third party situation. You are thinking it, but how to do it, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, a lot of fights or arguments or disappointments are going on. Okay, now let's see what is the life purpose of your life. Support your life purpose, fully supports you. Whatever is your purpose, Pisces, okay, you only know and destiny only know, but yeah, guardian angels are supporting you. Some of the Pisces might get involved into the business of crystals, raw materials, uh, um, business related to crystals and gemstones. Okay, so yeah, yes, if you are seeking for the answers and you have a lot of questions, you need to go for the meditation, and you need to at least uh, think about it. Okay, find your own answers, because answers lie within you only. Okay, you have to make a decision, Pisces. Very soon there is a decision you are going to make a decision based on your heart's true desires. Whatever your heart is saying, I think universe is pushing you to make a decision, but you are not doing it because you don't want to change certain situation or a pattern about your life. Okay, but universe is trying to push you. Okay, so you need to change certain decisions you have to take. Okay, justice, your career brings fairness and protection to others who needs your help. Yes, you are just guided by the justice card, because you are just being protected into your career. Okay, by the guardian angels, by the divine. Okay, yes, some of you might be an artist, actor, painter, singer, dancer, or might be you might be into an entertainment field. Okay, so yes, or you know, if you are really not thinking about it, or you are not into that field, then involve yourself into artistic things, so that you are, you know, you will get a lot of clarity about yourself. Like, you know, sometimes it's very good to involve into artistic activities, which is beneficial for your career. Okay, so yeah, now it's a love reading. Okay, Pisces. Okay, you have attraction with someone. Okay, you are attracted, you attract romantic love by enjoying the moment fully. Okay, you have a certain sort of attraction with some person. Okay, yes, you feel that you really want to know about a person a lot. Okay, like you are attracted towards the person, and you really want to know about person. As you reveal your innermost self to each other, your bond will deepen. Okay, so you really wish to know a person. It might be a spouse, it might be a person you are into relationship with, or if it might be your crush. Okay, yes, stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Okay, so stay positive, either if it's past, either it's a new person. Okay, stay optimistic and positive. Okay, bygones are bygones. Okay, okay, Pisces, free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Wow, take control of your own life, Pisces. Okay, do not be under someone's control. Be your own decision maker in life. Okay, yes. Well, angels are protecting you, Pisces. If you are single, okay, either masculine or feminine, okay, you are calling in your soulmates. Angels are guiding you towards your soulmate. Okay, so you can meet your soulmate anytime. Okay, but if you are already into a relationship and are into separation, then you are you know, visualizing, you are doing prayers, or you need to do prayers and visualization about your partner, so that you can come in comments with your soulmate. Okay, so yeah. Codependency issues, addictions are affecting your romantic life. Some of you are codependent, either with your family members, either with your neighbor, either with your anyone. Okay, but you have codependency issues, you are into codependent relationship. Okay, and that is very addictive, not really good, because it might be harmful in your romantic love life. Okay, addictions are affecting your romantic life. Okay, or some of you might be a good chain smoker, some of you might be a let's say a drinker, alcoholic. Okay, so this is affecting your love life. Okay, do not be like that. Okay, be this could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Okay, so now you are realizing a lot. I think you have already met the person you are meant to be forever with. Okay, and that's the person you are going to be with in your this lifetime. Okay, but you are realizing, in the past you haven't realized it, but now you are realizing a lot of things about yourself, about the people around you, about your situation, and about this person. Okay, so yes guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.